If you're running an HVAC business and your website doesn't show up for key phrases like AC installation near me or any appliance installation near me or any appliance installation in our city, then you surely are losing on your business. In this video, we are going to discuss strategy as to how through SEO we can get your HVAC business on top of Google. According to stats, an estimated 97% of people turn to search engines to find local businesses. 88% of the searchers using mobile devices call or visit a local business they find within 24 hours, and about 92% of searchers will select the business that is found on the first page of search results. I'm sure now you can see how important it is for you to rank your business on top of Google. Conducting a diligent keyword research for your business is going to be utmost important for any SEO project. You need to focus on key phrases having the term HVAC and need to find out most relevant terms related to your business. Next comes the part of optimizing your landing pages, whether it is in terms of UI UX for better user experience or even updating or improving the loading speed of the web page. As already shared in the stats, most of the users these days use mobile phones to search for local queries, and hence your website should be optimized for all mobile devices. From an SEO perspective, internal linking also plays an important role in getting your website ranked as well as indexed into Google. Of course, optimizing on-page SEO for targeted pages using metas, titles, alt tags is pretty important, and you need to use your most targeted key phrases into these. Getting more reputable inbound links to your web pages will always help in terms of SEO, and that's what you should be striving for. For local businesses, Google Business Profile is of utmost importance. You need to create one, optimize it, and get best possible reviews. If you do these steps, I'm sure your website can be ranked at top of Google with diligent work process. In case you are running any local business and wish to be ranked at top of Google, we surely can help. Please feel free to get in touch with us through our website. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.